Hi guys, welcome back to my channel. I hope you guys had a great 2018 so far. Today we are talking about our January favorites. So let's get started. I feel that this pouch definitely needs a mention. This is from Urban Decay. It's the all night all day pouch which they sent to me as a PR kit. So I really like it because it's huge, it's denim, and it has super cute like iron-on stuff over here. Let's start with makeup first. The first thing that I love all month is the Gigi Hadid Maybelline BB Cushion. I really love this BB cushion. It has a really skin-like texture. It is not too matte, but at the same time it's not too drying. It kind of dries matte on my dry skin, but at the same time it's not cakey. And I just super love it because it's so pretty. It is a matte blush packaging. And in there, even the cushion is also blush colored. So I really love this. Another Gigi Hadid Maybelline collection that I really love is their eyeliner. This is the liquid liner that is in the range, and I super love it. Not only because of the packaging, but because of the brush. The brush is slightly short, which gives me a lot of control whenever I maneuver. And I love the tip of the pen. It's so thin. I can draw like really thin lines super easily. And what I like about it is that it dries very fast. It dries matte as well. I generally don't like liquid eyeliners that dry like glossy, so I super love this. And I think even though it's kind of expensive, like everyone keeps complaining that the Gigi Hadid collection is very expensive for Maybelline, I feel that this is actually comparable to a lot of high-end products. This month, I've also been loving some M.A.C products. So this is the Moonshimmer Mineralize Blush. This is the M.A.C Jade Jagger Collection. I honestly don't know who Jade Jagger is, so I'm solely reviewing on how good the product is. Okay, so generally this is a mineralized blush that has two sides. One is slightly brown and one is slightly peachy pink color. I super love this blush because it is very fine. It lasts really long, and at the same time it's very easy to blend. And I love this because it has two colors. You can use the left side like just for one color, or you can use the other side, which sometimes I like to put it near to my contour to kind of make like a really nice blend gradient from my contour to my blush. And on top of that, you can swirl it all together for that sun-kissed blush look, which I really like. I got this eyeshadow. It's called It's Snowing. It is the extra dimension eyeshadow that comes in a really gorgeous limited edition like packaging. And I love the color of it. Like, it is so gorgeous. I didn't expect myself to like it so much because it's just a simple like glittery eyeshadow. It is kind of pinkish rose gold, but very flattering on the eyelids because it is not too overpowering. So if you're a girl that likes to wear glitter but don't like those kind of Huda Beauty kind of glitter, right, I think this is for you. Another makeup product is this. This is the 3C E Moot Recipe Matte Lipstick. A lot of you guys ask me what I was wearing on my lips. Every single time I wear this, right, people will DM me and like ask me, what's on your lips? And I'll just be like, this is the 3C Moot Recipe Matte Lipstick in the shade Smoked Rose. It is number 909. So 3CE is under Style Nanda, this Korean brand. I love the packaging. I love how gorgeous this color is. Look at it, it's so gorgeous. It is a very deep brownish brick color. I personally love the color, but I don't really like the formula because I have very dry lips and this is very drying. But what I like to do is I like to apply it like this, and I will just smudge out the edges of it on my lips to give it that, you know, just bitten kind of look. And I like how it looks like when it's smudged out. Another lipstick I have been loving all month is this. This is the Etude House Dear My Matte Tinting Lips Talk lipstick. It has a super long name. But anyway, this is in the shade PK003. And it comes in like a lot of different kind of lipstick casing that you can buy from Etude House, and then you just like pop the lipstick in like this and you have like a really gorgeous casing. So I love this lip color because it is super gorgeous. It is like a dried rose color. and you can see it's very, very, very creamy. And they say it's matte, but I feel that it's a very comfortable matte. It's not like your usual liquid lipstick kind of matte. Another makeup favorite is also from Etude House. This is the Super Slim Proof Pencil Liner in brown. So I was looking in my stash for like a brown eyeliner because I kind of ran out of mine, my previous one, and I was so sick of trying to like sharpen it all the time. So I was looking for like an automatic one, and I found this in my stash. And it's super cute, it's so thin, and I have been using it every single day, like because it's so easy to give me a very nice, crisp, thin line on my eyelids. And I like that this brown color is a chocolatey kind of brown. So it is very close to black, and at the same time it's very, very creamy and pigmented. And on top of that, it is waterproof as well, so it lasts very, very long. So that was it for makeup. Now it's time for skincare. I have been loving this. This is the Lancome Advanced Genefique Sensitive Double Concentrate Serum. So you guys know Lancome has like a iconic like black bottle, the Lancome Genefique Serum. They recently came out with the sensitive one, and I was like, oh my gosh, that is totally for me because I have super sensitive skin. As you can tell from my rashes, I don't know if you guys can see, but yeah, I have super sensitive skin, so I really like it that they came out with this, and I have been using it like every day. It has been super nice on my skin, never give me any like tingling sensations, didn't break me out, and it makes my skin feel really soft and supple and bouncy. And I love the dropper for this because I feel that droppers are definitely a lot more luxurious and a lot more hygienic as well. Then we have this. This is the Anessa Essence UV Sunscreen Aqua Booster. I love this sunscreen. Like whenever people ask me what is my favorite brand of sunscreen, I would say Anessa because it's just so good. Like if you guys actually have a chance to try Anessa, you guys will know that it is very, very life-changing because it is not sticky, it is not greasy, it doesn't have a very funky smell. It just makes you feel like you're not wearing anything at all, and it works super well under makeup or over makeup even. Then I have this. I know it's so cute. This is the Kiehls Ultra Facial Cream. I brought this because this is what I carry with me in my bag every day because I love how small it is, and whenever I have like dry patches or if my eczema starts to act up, I will have this in hand and I will just like apply it to soothe whatever irritation that I'm facing. It is very, very good moisturizer that everyone can use, and it's super hydrating, very, very fast absorbing to your skin. I would recommend this to anyone who don't even know what kind of moisturizers they need. You know, if they don't know what moisturizers they want to buy, I would say Ultra Facial Cream. You will not regret it. Now it's time for the non-beauty favorites. This is my OPPO R11s. I didn't charge it today, but I just wanted to show you guys how beautiful it is, and I've been using this phone as my secondary phone simply because the camera function is amazing. If you guys have seen my Instagram, you would know that I have been loving this phone a lot. I'm not paid to mention this in this video, so I hope you guys don't get me wrong, but I love the quality of the photos that it takes. It works amazing in low light, it works amazing for selfies, and on top of that, it's super slim and sleek. It has this like fingerprint thing over here, which I think is so much convenient because when you like hold your phone, you just do this. You don't have to like fumble and like press any button or whatever. Super love this phone, and I just thought I would share it with you guys. Last but not least, I have this keychain holder that I have. This is from Luxemono, and I love it because it has M.A.C and my initials stamped on it. And I just like how sleek and luxurious this feels. I like how there's this little handle that is not too big in the sense like you have to stick your whole like wrist inside, but it's just for a few fingers to go through. It's very, very good material. It's leather and it's gold. Black and gold just always makes the best combination to me, I feel. And yeah, just thought it would be a really nice gift to customize for a friend, especially if you know he drives or she drives. You can not only put your car keys, you can actually fit quite a few keys inside because this ring is kind of big, and there's this other thing here that you can hook, you know, some furry thing or whatever. But I just generally like this. And that's it. That brings us to the end of this video. I hope you guys enjoyed this video, and if you did, don't forget to subscribe. Follow me on Instagram, you know, talk to me in the comments. I love to speak to you guys, and I'll see you in my next one. Bye!